finally going to fix one of the Hellcat's biggest issues. G-Force sent me out some brand new axles rated for like 2,000 horsepower. I just throw it in their face 'cause these niggas. He's back. What's going on, guys? Back here at City Performance with an extremely dirty drift cat in the background. Car's been down for like 4 or 5 weeks, and that is because I keep breaking axles. If you've followed along and watched this channel, you've known that we've gone through what, how many? Probably, no lies, like 10 axles, 10 sets. I keep breaking these things, especially after swapping the 6-speed in. It just can't handle clutch kicks like that. So I had G-Force send me out some brand new axles. They are outlaw axles that are supposed to be rated for like 2,000 horsepower or something, and we got those installed the other night, and it was like 40 degrees, and we were here till like 2 in the morning. Look what my guy is doing. What's up, Cisco? How we feeling, man? A little nippy. I just went to get propane. We called, they said they had it, pulled up, didn't have it. So now we got this little mini dish heater. We're gonna fix the side that broke, which is the passenger side. We'll be able to drive it onto the rack. Let's look at what G-Force sent me. I sent them the G-Force Renegades that I bought a long time ago to get rebuilt. They said that they upgraded the CVs to the Outlaw CVs. These should be rated for 2,000 horsepower now. And then Underground Tuning hooked me up with all the fluids that I need to service this damn thing. We got motor oil, transmission oil, coolant, diff, fluid, additive. Huge shout out to Underground Tuning for all the fluids. Highly appreciated. Thank you guys. Good AMS oil too. So just like last time, this thing completely just snapped. All right. Let's see what these are talking about. Oh yeah, these look amazing. All fresh new hardware, new boots, freshly rebuilt. Beautiful, and these have the tone rings on them still.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully these boots have enough clearance for the coilover, because my coilover strut is thicker than the active suspension factory one. Last time I had them rebuilt, we ran a boot that was almost inverted. So it went inside of this, but it cracked and it started throwing grease super fast. Brand new G-Force Outlaw axles. No more Renegades. Went and got my guy some tall boys. You gonna shotgun it right now? We're gonna just... Oh. I went green juice on them. Good job, Jensen.
Good job, Larry. Numbers.
So today we are finally going to fix one of the main flaws with this car. That's really one of the only things that breaks is the axles, knock on wood. For the most part, that's one of the items on this car that constantly has issues. So we're finally gonna fix that today. And we're pretty much going to give the rear strut an offset and just move it over slightly by cutting the bottom bracket and then putting some sort of spacer in there so it moves the strut over and gives the new G-Force axles enough room to clear the strut so it doesn't rub the boot. So today we're finally going to fix one of the Hellcat's biggest issues. With G-Force being so cool, we've tried a bunch of different boot options to try and eliminate that issue, but it just doesn't work with these coilovers. I reached out to BC Racing and they have a bracket that can move the strut over a little bit, but that's out 4 to 5 weeks. And I don't want to wait 4 to 5 weeks. I need this car back ASAP, and I know you guys want to see it too. So let's pull this thing over on the rack, try and fix this issue. Got the car on the rack. Now let's lift it up and try and chop up this suspension and get these axles to fit. We're gonna have to take this bolt out, cut the bracket, move it over, re-bolt the bolt. Easy peasy. But those brand new $2,300 axles are looking very nice. Very nice. Our issue has always been the boot rubbing on the strut. Damn, that thing is dirty. So since we're gonna have to grind this side down, we're trying to find a washer that will replace what we grind, or most of what we grind. Obviously we want more on this side and less on this side. Straight. Okay. It's just focusing on your face.
Straight.
How's that boot looking?
Seems like it's gonna clear. Hold up. Shut up.
Oh. So if anyone has Hellcat Chargers and they run coilovers and they have issues with their boots rubbing, this is a very, very fast, easy fix. We got space. That's one side down. We're gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna go drive this thing, make sure it feels good. This fool's cooling the shock with a damn Modelo.
You already know, baby.
Now this side is done, and we finally have taken care of that axle issue that has plagued me for I don't know how many years. It's pretty much since I bought this car. So hopefully no more boot issues whatsoever. You tired of doing axles on this car?
Fuck yeah, finally.
Since this is private property, I believe I can do a burnout. Let's test these axles out real quick, huh? Set off the car alarm things. So that went amazing. Huge shout out to my guy Cisco here at City Performance. My guy here working as well. Haven't done a burnout in a minute. That felt great. Car is back. Axles are good. Yeah, let's go drifting now. What'd you say?
My
Ears hurt?
I'm just
What'd
like,
you say? What?
Is that when I
Shout
go
out
hey.
to Underground Tuning.
That's That's literally when I go shoot it, bro.
Bow, 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 bow.
Bro, you can feel it in your chest. You can like, boom. I'm like, oh.
I could hear shit.
Underground tuning for the win.
He was like,
Hey,
hey, what the
I would have done a burnout in a minute. I was behind the wheel, all happy and shit. Like I got the little adrenaline jitters now. Now she just needs a detail. Just to be safe, we're gonna put it back on the lift, make sure everything's okay, make sure there's zero clearance issues with that boot. Old axles.
I feel like
They're still deaf. It's look good though?
Yeah, this looks good. Everything looks solid.
Nice. That's what I wanted to see.
it's a nice little 1/4 inch on both sides.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Huge shout out to G-Force, shout out to Cisco at City Performance. And now we just gotta go hook up with Art and get this new BCM plugged in so we can get rid of that reverse camera, because I'm kind of tired of that. I want my SRT pages and stuff back, but he's got it all figured out, so let's go figure that out.